Hello and welcome to LJMU Grow Together. I'm Avril Rowley and I'm based in the School of Education at LJMU, where I'm a senior lecturer and work with our trainee primary teachers. Today what I want to do is talk to you about the activities that we'd really like to promote during Gardening Week, which is the week of the 26th of April. And the activities that we have planned for you include activities that are easily accessible if you don't have a garden, and also cheap and easy to do, using as many of the materials you might already have, including kitchen scraps and containers that you might have at home as well. So we're trying to make it as accessible as possible to everybody, and I think probably the main expense that you would have is to buy yourself one of those small bags of compost that you can buy in any of the supermarkets at the moment, especially because it's spring. There's a lot of that going on.